If you want to delete your Tinkercad account safely, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll go from logging in all the way to submitting the official deletion request, so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. Before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new guides are posted. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to tinkercad.com. Then sign in with the account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your avatar or profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Profile. This takes you into your account area where you can manage your personal settings. Next, in the Profile menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, find the sidebar and select Account Settings. This is the section where Tinkercad and Autodesk keep the options related to your account information and account removal. Now look carefully for the link that says Complete the Online Account Deletion Form. This is the official path for requesting deletion, so make sure you use this link rather than trying to find a random shortcut or third-party page. When you click it, a pop-up should appear asking you to continue to external site. Go ahead and click Continue. This is normal because Tinkercad uses Autodesk's security and account system to process the deletion request. After that, you'll be taken to the Autodesk security page. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and fill in all required details. Depending on your account, you may need to verify your identity or confirm certain information before the request can be submitted. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly. Once all the required fields are complete, submit your request. After submission, your deletion request will be processed according to Autodesk's account procedures, and you should watch for any confirmation message or email related to your request. And that's it. You've now completed the steps to delete your Tinkercad account through the official form. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.